Hello guys, welcome to Network And on today's video, basically I'm creating a video about SNMP just for revision and that playlist networking revision. Okay, so let's start our video without wasting time. So what is SNMP? I think SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol, and it is an application layer protocol. Why it is used? Use की भी जाती है. Used for monitoring and the managing network devices. मॉनिटर करने के लिए और मैनेज करने के लिए इनको नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस को सच एज राउटर्स स्विचेस फायरवॉल सर्वर प्रिंटर्स. इट अलाउ अ सेंट्रल सिस्टम. ये अलाउ करते एक सेंट्रल सिस्टम को कॉल्ड द एनएमएस नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट स्टेशन. दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म. टू कलेक्ट परफॉर्मेंस डाटा, टू कलेक्ट द डाटा कलेक्ट करने के लिए एंड मैनेज डिवाइसेस को मैनेज करने के लिए ऑन आवर नेटवर्क. ओके, एसएनएमपी यूज मॉनिटर नेटवर्क परफॉर्मेंस, डिटेक्ट नेटवर्क फॉल्ट्स, configure network devices remotely. Components of the SNMP, there are three. One is manager and the agent and the MIB. What is the manager? As you already know, I think if you are a fresher or if you are doing any like part-time job, so there is a manager which controls everything, or we can say that which collect data and request something. You have to do that thing like that. So that our SNMP manager send a query means आपको कुछ काम दिया जाता है क्वेरी में. वो एजेंट जैसे कि हम जो वर्क कर रहे हैं एज वी कैन से दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल्ड है कि हाँ भाई वो मैनेजर उनकी बातें माननी होगी. दैट्स काइंड ऑफ. सो इट्स सेंड क्वेरी टू द एजेंट एंड कलेक्ट डाटा. एजेंट को कहता है, देन एजेंट उसको क्या करता है, रिस्पॉन्स देता है कि मेरे पास ये डाटा है, आपने ये मांगा था. दैट्स इट, लाइक दैट. एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो इट्स SolarWinds PRTG and I guess like that. And about the agent, I already told you a software already installed on the Cisco routers or switches, and we have to configure it. Then definitely the manager, if asks some or sends any query, so the agent responded according to the query. Okay, and installed on the network devices like routers, switches, respond to manage request, as I already told you. MIB management information base. Basically it is like that. Suppose we are agents, so we have to store some data. सो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर लाइक भाई कुछ डाटा आपके माइंड में स्टोर हो, कुछ डाटा आपके सिस्टम में स्टोर हो, लाइक दैट. सो वी हैव टू like there is a one where you store the data called the MIB. You can store the data on that database of objects managed by the SNMP. Each object has an OID. हर object के एक OID होती है, object identifier, we can say that. There are three types of SNMP version: 1, 2C and the 3. 1 and 2C, basically it's use common strings and it is a clear text, so basically it is not best for the our security point of view. Version 3, it's a secure because it uses the MD5 SHA-GS. Basically it uses the encryption plus the authentication. That's why you can see the SNMP basic commands: trap, walk, cat, set. You can find like change configuration values, notification sent from manager to from agent to manager. SNMP track नोटिफिकेशन सेंड करता है, जैसे कि कुछ इशू हो गया ट्रैप, सो मैं नोटिफिकेशन भेज देता हूँ अपने मैनेजर को, काइंड ऑफ दैट. SNMP एग्जांपल यूज केसेस: चेक CPU मेमोरी इंटरफेस यूजेस, डिटेक्ट डाउन इंटरफेसेस, चेक करता है और हाई टेम्परेचर, कॉन्फ़िगर ट्रैप्स टू अलर्ट एडमिन्स इन रियल टाइम. Which ports uses the SNMP? 161 and the 162. 161 uses for sending and receiving requests between the network devices and the management system. Why it is used then 162? It's used for sending unsolicited messages, old traps from agents to the management system, like the manager. Like SNMP community string acts like a password for SNMP access used in V1 and the V2Cs in clear text. SNMP track notification from agent to manager, use in form of significant event, pulling active requests from manager to agent at regular interval. Okay, the version 3 provide the security. That's it. And there you can see there. Okay, so let's start our interview as well regarding the SNMP from ChatGPT. Hi, please ask me questions about this SNMP as a CCNA fresher, and one by one so I can give you the answer.
Sure, let's start with the basic one. What does SNMP stand for, and what is its primary purpose in networking?
I think SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol, and it is used for like manage and monitor our agents, or we can say that our network devices. That's it.
Exactly. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol, and it's used to manage and monitor network devices. Great job. Now, can you tell me what the main components of SNMP are?
Yeah, the SNMP manager, we can say that the SNMP agent or the MIB, because manager like a controller, we can say that, who ask some query and take the response. And agent, we can say that like a normal our network devices, and the SNMP running on that device, and stores the data about their interfaces and about the about the interfaces as well as, and like it is about the temperature. So agent send the data to manager if the manager asks. And about the MIB, it's I think management interface information base, like something I forgot the full form. And it's like we can say that it stores the data on an agent. That's it.
You're on the right track. Let me clarify a bit. SNMP Manager. This is the system or software that controls and monitors the network. It sends requests to agents and collects data from them. SNMP Agent. This is the software running on network devices like routers, switches, etc. that collects and stores management information. It responds to
That's how you can also practice the interview questions. So that's it for today's video. And thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.